Hello everyone, welcome to the SQRT channel. In this video, we are going to talk about a problem that we got from Irish Mathematical Olympiad from 2016. In this problem, we want to evaluate a power of 3 of an expression that you are seeing here. In this expression, we have multiple terms. We have 251, we have cube root of 252, we have 5 times cube root of 2, and finally we have 10 times cube root of 63. Before moving forward to talk about the solution, make sure that you pause the video to think about this problem. To solve this problem, we are going to simplify the expression by using some variables for some of these values that you are seeing here. Let's start with cube root of 252 and use x for this value. On the other hand, we are going to use y for 5 times cube root of 2. Now, if we use x and y as explained, then we can calculate x to the power of 3 and y to the power of 3 easily. Obviously, x to the power of 3 is going to be 252 and y to the power of 3 is going to be 125 times 2. Using these, we can say x to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 3 is going to be 502, and x to the power of 3 minus y to the power of 3 is going to be 2. On the other hand, you can verify that x times y is going to be 10 times cube root of 63. Now we have 10 times cube root of 63, we have 2 times 251, and we have 2 times 1. And we are going to use these to simplify the original expression that we have. To do this, let's start with 251 for the top of the first term. 251 is going to be 502 divided by 2. And we know 502 is x to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 3. So we are going to replace 251 with x to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 3 over 2. We are going to replace 1 with x to the power of 3 minus y to the power of 3 over 2. And we will replace 10 times third root of 63 with xy. If we do these, then we are going to end up with the expression that you are seeing here. Now we want to simplify the expression a little bit further. Let's divide it into two terms. For the first term, we are going to use x to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 3 as is. However, we are going to replace x to the power of 3 minus y to the power of 3 with x minus y times x to the power of 2 plus xy plus y to the power of 2. You can see that there is 1x minus y on top and 1x minus y on the bottom of this fraction. If we remove this and then simplify it a little bit further, we will end up with x to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 3 over x to the power of 2 minus xy plus y to the power of 2. For the second term, we are going to use a similar approach. For x to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 3, we will use x plus y times x squared minus xy plus y squared. If we do this and then simplify it a little bit, we will end up with x cubed minus y cubed over x squared plus xy plus y squared. After all these simplifications, we have two terms. For the first term, we have x cubed plus y cubed for the denominator. On the other hand, for the second term, we have x cubed minus y cubed for the denominator. We will have x squared minus xy plus y squared for the first denominator and x squared plus xy plus y squared for the second denominator. We are going to use a similar approach that we used before. Instead of using x3 plus y3, we are going to use x plus y times x squared minus xy plus y squared. We are going to use a similar approach and replace x cubed minus y cubed with x minus y times x squared plus xy plus y squared. Then after removing the common terms, we will end up with x plus y plus x minus y to the power of 3 or 2x to the power of 3 or 8x cubed. Now we are going to replace x with what we had, and then the final answer is going to be 2016, and that's our answer. Thanks for watching the video. If you would like to see more puzzle and math involved activities, please subscribe to the channel. This is the SQRT channel.